Why high blood pressure is often associated with overweight, obesity and sedentary lifestyle move. Section 1. Introduction. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a common health problem that affects millions of people worldwide. It is a serious medical condition that can lead to various health issues, including heart disease, stroke, and kidney failure. High blood pressure is often associated with being overweight or obese and leading a sedentary lifestyle. In this analysis, we will explore the biological mechanisms behind this association and why exercise and weight loss are effective in reducing high blood pressure. Section 2. Definition of high blood pressure. Blood pressure is the force of blood pushing against the walls of the arteries as the heart pumps. High blood pressure occurs when the force of the blood against the artery walls is consistently too high. Blood pressure is measured in millimeters of mercury, mmHg, and is expressed in two numbers. The top number is the systolic pressure, which measures the pressure when the heart beats, and the bottom number is the diastolic pressure, which measures the pressure when the heart is at rest. Section 3. Relationship between high blood pressure and weight. Being overweight or obese is a major risk factor for developing high blood pressure. The excess weight puts extra strain on the heart and blood vessels, causing the heart to work harder and the blood vessels to become narrower. This results in an increase in blood pressure. In addition, excess body fat can also increase the production of certain hormones and inflammation, which can further increase blood pressure. Section 4. Relationship between high blood pressure and sedentary lifestyle. A sedentary lifestyle, characterized by a lack of physical activity, is another major risk factor for high blood pressure. Regular exercise can help keep blood vessels flexible and healthy, which can lower blood pressure. When you exercise, your heart and blood vessels become more efficient at delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, which can help lower blood pressure. On the other hand, a sedentary lifestyle can lead to decreased blood vessel flexibility and increased blood pressure. Section 5. Biological mechanisms behind the association. The exact biological mechanisms behind the association between high blood pressure, overweight, and sedentary lifestyle are complex and not yet fully understood. One possible mechanism is the activation of the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, RAAS. This system is responsible for regulating blood pressure by increasing the constriction of blood vessels and increasing fluid retention. In people who are overweight or sedentary, the RAAS system can become overactive, leading to increased blood pressure. Another possible mechanism is the activation of the sympathetic nervous system, SNS. The SNS is responsible for regulating blood pressure by increasing heart rate and constricting blood vessels. In overweight or sedentary individuals, the SNS can become overactive, leading to increased blood pressure. Section 6. Benefits of exercise and weight loss in reducing high blood pressure. Exercise and weight loss are effective strategies for reducing high blood pressure in overweight or sedentary individuals. Regular exercise can help improve blood vessel flexibility and decrease the activity of the RAAS and SNS systems, leading to lower blood pressure. In addition, weight loss can help reduce the strain on the heart and blood vessels, further lowering blood pressure. Section 7. Types of exercise recommended for high blood pressure. Both aerobic and resistance exercise can be beneficial for reducing high blood pressure. Aerobic exercise, such as walking, running, or cycling, can help improve cardiovascular health and lower blood pressure. Resistance exercise, such as weightlifting, can help build muscle mass, which can also lower blood pressure. It is recommended that individuals with high blood pressure engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week and 2 to 3 sessions of resistance exercise per week.